Okay folks, here's another unboxing of a Jura coffee maker. This is a very expensive high-end model. You can see it makes all sorts of beverages. It comes with various accessories. Let's open it up and see what comes in this. We'll start off with just having a look here at the model. 15371. Made in Portugal. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. Very fancy packaging. Okay. What are these? Cleaning tablets. Appears to be a manual here in this bag. Okay. And is this it? Oh, there's different languages here. Okay, not English. Not English. Maybe English. There we go. That's it there. Okay. What else is in here? The cord. Let's take this out. There's some accessories here. Filter cartridge. Okay. Filter. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like it goes in like this and it dispenses. That goes there. We'll open the top. And there is the machine. There's the front end. No doubt this is all digital touch control. Probably, I don't see any physical buttons on here. And we have, what is this compartment for? Coffee beans, I'm assuming. What does it say here? Attention. Okay, we have a lot of languages. English is not here on the most, this side maybe. Here. Test, it was cleaned thoroughly, but there may have been residues of coffee in the machine. Okay, so there might be some coffee in the machine. They tested it with real coffee. Okay. So let's get this out of the box and see what it looks like. One moment. Okay, so when they packaged this thing, they cleverly put this material like this over top. You saw me remove that on the video earlier. And the nice thing is you can actually use this to lift it out of the box because it goes right underneath. Okay, on the side here we have milk system cleaner. Okay. Some kind of a decalcifier or something, I don't know. Or removes fat. This is I guess the water for the side there, I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. There's the front of the machine. Very shiny. And the back, nothing too exciting there. You have, this thing can move up and down, I guess to change the height of this. I don't know what that is at all. Might be to allow your milk frother. It's got two spouts here, I'm assuming for 2 cups. Let's see what's inside over here. Oh, and here's the side compartment where you should be able to add water. If it works like the other machine I've had, you should be able to put water in here. It says max. here. And there's a little hole there. So does this slide out? Oh, no, it opens from the top. There you go. Is this for coffee or water? No, that's definitely for water. Oh, and there's a handle. This lifts up. There you go. Okay, so you put water in here. I guess it connects down to the base there. And then this slides down. Like so. Okay, handle closes. And this goes on top. Although I'm pretty sure I don't have it in properly. There, now it's flush. Okay, good. So that's where water goes. On the other side, this thing's solid, you don't do anything with that. Now, to get inside of here to clean it, so this is where the water, extra water goes in. This should slide out, but it is still on a base, as you can see, and I don't want to remove it from that yet. The front of this, of course, should open, and we should be able to get inside here to maintain some other parts. But again, I don't want to open it up yet. I'll have to remove it from this to see. So give me a moment. Okay, so I've removed it from the base. Now I'm able to move this out. As you can see, the whole bottom slides out. There's some contact here, so maybe it tells the machine what kind of attachment there is. You can see this must be where the dispensed coffee, the coffee pucks fall into. And this comes off. And in here, let's see, this comes off as well. And there should be a way to empty water from this. Yeah, this opens up. And that's where any extra water would have dripped into. So you can clean all this up. Yeah, that's it. Now, I don't know what this is, because it does go up and down. There's a hinge. What for, I'm not sure. Doesn't seem to go there. It just goes up and down. So does it move up in the machine when you slide it in? No, it looks like it just slides in there all the way, and it doesn't really go up at all. So to put everything back, we've got this part at the front that slides back here. Okay, this should go in here. And this entire tray just slides right back into the machine like so. Now, interestingly, I don't see anything inside that would hint at, I can't turn the flash on, can I? I don't see anything inside the machine here where I would be able to clean out the interior components. There's got to be some way. I'll have to discover that. It's all black in here. Can't see a thing. Perhaps the top part opens in here, and there's some parts that you can maintain. Usually in the Delonghi machine that we had, you were able to clean out the actual grinding, what do you call it? The French press components. So there was a French press, and you could clean it out. I don't see any way to access that in here, because unless it's, once it's on, there's a way to get it to it. But I'll have to read the manual and see if that's an option on this. Okay, so I've read through the manual a bit and found a few more things out for this Jura E8 coffee machine. Let's look on the side here. There's a small holder and a filter, and apparently that actually goes into this water tank. If you open this up here, here's the water tank. This component apparently goes in here somehow. Okay, and I'm not exactly sure how, but it fits into here, clips in, and allows you to insert your filter. So you can pour water into here, and the water will be filtered there if you want. Let's see, and these things clip onto the side. I think it rotates in somehow, like that. Do I have it the wrong way? Maybe it's upside down. Maybe like this. Something like this. Probably not. I think it's upside down. But that's part of the whole filter mechanism. And there is a filter here that goes into there. Okay, so that's one. Let's put this back over here. Okay, so I have the filter in place. That's it there. You can see it goes all the way down to the bottom, like so. And that was what was inside this bag here. It goes on the end of that piece and everything just clicks in place, like so. Okay, folks, so some other accessories here. This is where you store the milk to get the milk frothing happening. That's the container right there. And this is a refrigeration or refrigerated ice cooling component if you want to keep your milk out. As you can see inside here, there's a bunch of, looks like a cool pack that you freeze in your fridge, in your freezer. That goes in here, and it essentially just allows you to keep the milk cold when it's on the outside if you're intending on keeping this out for a while. So if you have milk in here, you slide it in there and it would stay cold. Now this assembly on the side here is where the frothing happens, is the aerator. This little thing here gets removed and you have a hole right there, and you plug in the frother like so. So now when you're doing your coffee, the stuff comes out of there. Now, my only question is, I'm not sure how, I guess you can have it come out of here separately if you want to just add to your coffee, or maybe it tells you to move it over, because I'm assuming if you have your coffee here and it's making it, and then later you need to add milk, you have to get it over to here. Otherwise, how's this gonna get into your coffee? That's what I'm assuming. Although I don't know. I'm gonna have to read more in the manual. But that's what connects there. Otherwise, there's no other attachments that I can see of, and no other way to do anything with this. But over time, as we use this, I'll update you on how it works. So thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you next time.